This is Michael Lukes from How to Livable. Today I'm going to show you how to share a Google Calendar with someone else. First, you want to go ahead and head over to your Calendar app. Then scroll down on the left-hand side. You will see your calendars under My Calendars. So whatever calendar you want to share, click on the three dots. After you hover over it, click on the three dots to the right of it. And then it says Settings and Sharing. Click on that. This opens up all your options. It shows the owner of the account, what email you have associated with. You can also add a description to it. I would do that, especially if you're sharing with several people. Let them know what the calendar is about. And this is where you can manage any of the settings of your calendar. But you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down and check out access permissions before you share it. You want to see who has access to it. You can make it available to the public. That's usually not necessary unless you have like open office hours that you want students, or if you're in a political office and you want the public to be able to see it, then for this calendar, you could make available to the public. But you probably don't want to do that with your personal items or even your work. You don't want everybody to know what exactly you're doing. So down under the category Share with Specific People, this is where you can add people. So you can go ahead and click on Add People, and then it will show you some of the options of people that you've communicated with recently, or you can add people that aren't in your Google contacts. If the people you want to share your calendar with are already in your contacts, all you need to do is type a couple letters and then it will pre-fill it in here. Otherwise, you can put their email in and you can send them an invitation to view the calendar. You can also manage what they will see. If you click on permissions, you can choose see only free, so see only when you're available, see all the event details. They can make changes to events or make changes and manage sharing. So if you just want somebody to view your calendar, then click the first option. If somebody can also manage the calendar with you, like a coworker or spouse, then you could do make changes to events or make changes and manage sharing. So quickly, that is how to share a Google Calendar. Make sure to send them the invitation. They will then need to accept the invitation in order to view your calendar. This is Michael Lukes from How to Livable. If this video has been helpful, please do give us a like, and would also love to have you as a follower, a subscriber of the How to Livable channel. Thank you.